Good morning, Sir Joran Locasta Gonzalez. My name is Christian Tempesto from HMS 1D. Is na may midterm video. What recommended can you make your reach to the three issue and concern of information in technology in the hospitality? My answer is luggage system and information. Second question, data security and privacy. Three three question. Three answer is Silmi inter intervention of system. Next slide is second question. Second, how come business owner management ensure the business tools are used public by their employee? The answer me, the clean in graphic and the fact in inter is proper place to get good quality and to show to the customer the all tools are safe the use. I meant three question. Identify three security tools that are intended in keep the tools and technology in hospitality in the hospitality industry. Three answer. One, surveillance camera CCTV system. Two answer cyber security of software forward and attack virus program. Three answer access control system key card or below entry. Tapos tapos na po ang aking midterm. Tapos na po ang video, sir. Thank you po. God bless po. Thank you po, sir.